Hey, you! Yeah, with the rusty cart. Think dragging your junk is cool? Nonsense. Let the steam engine do the work for you. Grab a barrel, boil water in it, steam bursts out. We shove that steam into a cylinder where it pushes a piston. Physics is simple. Heat to expansion to motion. Steam turns metal into muscles while you sit back munching canned beans. Just don't overheat it. Blow it up and your eyebrows will become clouds. And yeah, if you do it right, your cart will roll forward by itself. I'll even show you how to turn it into a boat. But that's another story.